this demo, we'll walk through how to perform an online backup and restore of IBM Maximo using IBM Fusion. You'll see how easy it is to configure and execute a backup policy through a streamlined, intuitive interface designed for operational efficiency and reliability. We begin in the OpenShift console where the Maximo environment is actively running. The layout provides a clear and real-time view of all deployed resources, making it easy to monitor the health and status of the Maximo application. This seamless integration ensures operational visibility before initiating any protection workflows. And then here, we verify that Maximo is fully operational. The application dashboard loads without issue, confirming that the environment is stable and ready for backup. This step is essential to ensure we're capturing a consistent and healthy state of the application. Then returning to OpenShift, we launch IBM Fusion from the Applications menu. Fusion's modern and intuitive interface makes it easy to manage backup and restore operations across complex environments with minimal effort. From the Fusion dashboard, we navigate to the Services menu. Here we confirm that the backup and restore service is installed and in healthy state, ensuring the platform is ready to manage data protection tasks. Next, we access the Backup and Restore section and open the Policies tab. Creating a new policy is straightforward. Just click Add Policy in the upper right corner to begin. In the Policy Creation panel, we define the policy name, we set the frequency to monthly, and select Object Storage as the budget backup target. We retain the default 30-day retention period, and we finalize the configuration by clicking Create Policy. The process is quick, efficient, and requires no scripting. Then once created, the policy appears in the list with a confirmation message. Selecting the policy reveals detailed configuration parameters, including schedule, retention, start and end times, and connection status, all clearly displayed for easy validation. We then navigate to the Application section and locate the Maximo core application. Fusion's organized layout makes it simple to find and manage specific workloads. Within the Applications view, we open the Backups tab and assign the newly created policy. We select the policy, we disable the immediate backup toggle and save the configuration. So this flexibility allows us to control when backups are triggered. Then back on the main application page, we confirm that the policy assignment was successful. After refreshing the Backups tab, it reflects the updated policy association, ensuring Maximo is now protected under the defined schedule. And then to initiate a manual backup, we use the Actions menu and select Backup Now. A single confirmation click starts the process without any complex steps, just a streamlined execution. The backup job is now in progress, and Fusion provides immediate feedback confirming that the Maximo core application is being backed up. Then under the job section, we can monitor the backup in real time. The job summary includes duration, status, and inventory details, giving us full transparency into the operation. And then finally, the backup completes successfully. And you can see that with IBM Fusion, protecting Maximo is not only reliable, it's remarkably simple and efficient.